Hi guys, welcome back to another video. It's been a hot minute since I filmed one. I'm really excited because this was like the build up to my birthday, and these are all the things I bought myself for my birthday because when you incarnate and have no friends, when you take on some shitty karma, you just gotta treat yourself. So I really wanted to get some new clothes and some stuff that I could wear on my birthday trip, guys. So I'm not wearing old faded clothes, that's embarrassing. So I saved up some money, got some new clothes that I packed that I'm gonna bring with me on my trip. And I do have a little pile of a couple things down there that I bought that didn't fit, so I'm gonna have to ship them back and return them. But I got some clothes in here, we got clothes here, we just got too much stuff around us, and I might return some things, like in this bag. I bought something the other day, think I'm gonna return it, so let's just get into what I got myself for my birthday. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you've been doing well, because I missed filming YouTube, and I'm back from my little break. It wasn't really a break. It was like a spiritual test, but anyways, the first thing is like this robe that I'm wearing. I got this in red, and I got it in another blue color too. It comes with like the matching shorts. So these are like the shorts, the robe, and I love it because it's like so Asian, bougie, and silk. So I have another one in here. I wonder what should I start off with. Maybe just like the stuff that's by me so I can have some more space. I got this white leather jacket recently. It's so washed out, guys. It's too washed out because of my ring lighting. But this is the jacket. It's just a nice white leather jacket for like the spring season, summer. I just love my white jackets. If you guys know, last year for my birthday I got myself one too, but it had black and it was white, so this year I got me a white one. Sorry it's really washed out, but you know, what you gonna do? You gotta have good lighting for the YouTube. And then I got me this jacket from Coach. So let's open this little dust bag thing. So this jacket is really cool, guys, because it's actually fitted to my body. I actually have a black bomber jacket, but it's a little bit baggy on me, so this one's more for a fitted look when I want that fitted vibe. So I was really happy to get this one, and it's nice because it's actually a reversible jacket, so it turns inside out to this pattern. And this is actually one of my favorite sides, but let's be honest, I always wear black. And then it'll have a little bit of neon right here. So it's nice because neon's been in. This reminds me of Burberry and Iggy Azalea in her music video. I just love that color. So cool. So I got this bomber jacket, guys. I don't know if you can see the whole thing, but it's just a nice bomber jacket, good quality, a little bit of luxury. Back in its dust bag. Now we can throw that over there. Now that's back in the dust bag. Oh, it's so hard when I film these videos because it's not comfortable. I have to perch myself to sit up so you can actually see me. And oh, my legs are cramping. So I guess we'll start off over here, guys, in this bag. Yesterday I saw this and I've been wanting it for so long and it would match that jacket, but it just doesn't fit me around the waist. It's a fanny pack, but I have to use like a staple clip, and then when I wear like that jacket with it, I just look really wide and it doesn't look attractive, so I'd have to wear it like this or like on the back of me, but then I like showing my necklace, so I don't really know if I want to keep this or not because I have been eyeing a Louis Vuitton, and this just took off $100 of me, like $100 of me saving up for that. But this one's really nice. If you guys can see it, it's just got like the Coach logo, all the C's. Love that C initial. It's got significant spiritual meaning. And then it's pouch here, pouch there, pouch on the back. So this is kind of really cool and trendy, and I was thinking like, well, every Asian needs a fanny pack, so you know, should get one. So I'm debating on keeping that or not because I got a super good deal. I got it on sale when that thing was like really expensive, so I got that. Maybe should we go on with more Coach things or shoes, or should we go with the Chanel next? I do see this little diamond pen I got myself, guys. I don't know if you can see it. Can you see it against me? It's like this diamond pen. It's like that big diamond. I just have to include close-up shots, but I got this diamond pen, and oh, my ring, my wedding ring came, guys. Finally got delivered. So I was so happy to get this in the mail. Totally gonna have to have close-up shots because everything's washed out. So I ordered some things from Chanel. Can't really see that either. That's so embarrassing, guys. My ring light is washing everything out. Can you see that? So I got me the dust bag. It came with the dust bag. The wrapping was really nice, guys. It's really bougie. So this isn't from Chanel, but this is like a black nail polish. So I don't know if you guys can see. This is so embarrassing. Everything's just a close-up shot, you know? So I got that. And then in this other bag over here, I put my Boydie Chanel lip balm to be a little bit more bougie and have no crusty lips, because my lips are always crusty. So I was really happy to get that. A little bit of Chanel, a little bit of bouginess. And then I got the Scentbird subscription. So it comes in this little tube, and then you guys get changing scents. So this one is Dolce & Gabbana fragrance. And then I got these two other ones that are two Versace colognes, and they're pretty big size, guys. You get over 100 sprays. I used Gabby DiMartino's code to get me that deal, get some luxury fragrances for such a good deal. So I got that. So I'm gonna be smelling bougie on my birthday trip. I'm so excited, guys. Gotta be smelling good, gotta be looking good, you know? So after all this craziness that I've been through my spiritual awakening, it's time to have some fun. I can't wait. Do my little fake dance. So I kind of want to show the shoes, but I got such good stuff in here too. I don't know what to do. So I got this Coach scarf. I don't remember, guys, if I've ever hauled it, but I got it more towards winter time. So it's like a dark color and then a light color. And I got this. I don't know if I really hauled it before. And then I got this little like coin thing where you can like have your keys hanging, and I like to keep my keys in there. And then my little Etsy picture of me on there with my business card. And I like this one because it's got the C's on it, but it's a little bit shiny too, a little bit metallic. So it's got a little bit of my House of Night vibes on there. And I just love the C initial. And then I bought the silk scarf too, guys, because I needed something when I go on hikes. Like the pollen's just been making me drool, like so not so bad, so I can wear it like a mask and cover myself and be free from all that crazy pollen. So I got me a bougie silk thing. And this belt, guys, will coincide with my outfit for my birthday trip, and it matches the fanny pack. It's that khaki Coach color, and then it turns black too. So I got me this bougie belt, and I have the C buckle that I can change this to, so it's not that one. And I got me this wallet too a while ago, but I never got to haul it for you guys. It's got a little strap in there too, and it's just a nice pebble leather Coach retail wallet. So it's really nice. I got all that room. This is basically like one of the Louis Vuitton wallets I want, but it's a Coach one, and it's got a snap. The Louis ones don't have a snap for some reason, and I'm like, why? And then I got me this one to settle my craving for my Louis Vuitton wallet. It's the dark Coach signature wallet. I was really happy to get these, and yeah, more wallets, you know? Gotta protect my phone. Then I got me a pair of Nikes, guys. So, honestly, all these things are supposed to be for my birthday trip or leading up to it, so I can have options of things to wear, but I don't know if I'm bringing all of this because it's more like a 2-day trip. It was supposed to be a week, but things happen, so it's gonna be a 2-day trip, so we'll see. But I got these big chunky shoes that have been so in. All the influencers have been wearing them, and I hate myself for getting these because I roasted so many people when me and my sister would watch YouTubers. I'd roast them so bad. But the funny part is that these were a really good deal. I got these Nikes on sale, and they just look so good on me. And that's one thing. I always try on things that are nice, and they don't look good on me. And when I try on something ugly, it happens to look good on me, so got these. They look really nice, and it's funny because it's like an Asian thing too, and then from Asia they brought it over to America, and then the trend got in again. And these shoes used to be in a long time ago too, so it's funny that they came back. I can't believe I got them, guys. Why? Why did I have to get those shoes? Like, I don't get it. So I got those pair of shoes, and then we got ourselves another pair of Coach shoes. So these ones are the dark mahogany that will match my wallet, and a little bit going on with that Louis Vuitton vibe, that dark brown. So I got these shoes. I just haven't found an outfit to match them with yet, so we gotta figure that out. And then going on with that light khaki saddle vibe, I got me another pair of Coach shoes. And these ones are the light khaki ones that'll match my birthday outfit, and the fanny pack, the belt. I got too many things that match this signature print, so I was really happy to get these. Gonna totally be a whole like iconic Coach look. So I got me all those things over there. Oh, my legs are hurting, guys. Maybe I should sit on the shoe box so I look a little bit taller in the video. Or maybe I should just stand next time and do a haul, you know? Who knows? Oh, unbox the Louis Vuitton duffel bag. Oh boy, guys, do we have a lot to haul in this thing. This is where all the goods are at. So I ordered me a new beauty blender so I can do my makeup in peace and cake over all this karma that I got on my face. So we got ourselves a new black beauty blender. Some mint gum because we gotta have good fresh breath. And what are these? Oh, I think sunglasses I packed. So these are all sunglasses. I packed some cheap ones and then some nice ones too in my little dust bags. So I can get some messed up if they happen to get messed up, and then others can be protected. Oh, I got more shoes. I couldn't resist because I'm going to Palm Springs. It's going to be warm. I had to get me a pair of slides, so I ordered these Versace slides to match my Versace sunglasses that I do have. So I was really happy to get these guys. They're so awesome and like iconic. I wanted to get like either the silver or the gold ones too, but I'm like, let's just get something that you know you're just gonna love for sure, because I didn't go to the actual store. I ordered these on the website online. So these are the Versace slides and they're gonna look so good on me. Can't wait, they already do. So I got me these. Pop those over there. And then this shirt I think I hauled before. And we got ourselves the Chanel suit, the like track suit. So this is the, what would you call it? The track jacket. And I don't know if you guys could see, but it's a Chanel track jacket that I got. I was so excited to get this. So this is going to be a good birthday look. I'm totally going to have like some haul videos, maybe like a little birthday, what do you call it, outfit video of like the stuff I wore on my trip. But I got this track jacket that's Chanel, all nice and bougie. Love that. And I ordered it with the matching pants to get the whole set. Gotta get the whole set, but I don't think I'm gonna wear it together, guys, because it didn't look the best. So I'm probably just gonna wear these joggers to go around the house. Didn't really like these on me for a look to wear out unless if I'm really feeling comfy. So we got ourselves that. Matching Chanel tracksuit and pants, and then this is the other robe I got. Oh, what's this? Oh, this is a belt. I don't think I've ever hauled this belt too, guys, but it's just like a cross-grain leather Coach belt. So this one's a little bit of a thinner one, and I think these will look good with my shorts. So I got that. I got this chain that I made way back in my DIY days. Can't wait to do more DIYs, guys. But until then, I'm gonna channel a little bit of my old self. So I got this chain that I'm gonna make into like a belt, so it's gonna look all nice and cool. A little bit of my past life vibes. And then I got this robe. The same set that I'm wearing, guys, but it's in this royal blue color. So it comes with like the pants and then the actual robe itself. So I was really happy to get it in 2 colors. Was gonna get the black set, but I'm like, too much Asian going on. Get a little bit and then get something else in the future, Eric. And then I got me this Balenciaga hoodie, or not hoodie, what's it called again? The sweatshirt. So I got this Balenciaga sweatshirt, guys. I was really happy to get this. First Balenciaga item, gotta be bouge, you know, gotta be looking good. I just hope that that was gonna look good if I rolled up my sleeves, but it didn't, so I have to leave them long. I have my little bracelet peeking out, so got that. I was so excited to get these things so I can look good on my trip. And then these black shorts are actually my Volcom shorts from like a year ago that were like really faded, so I just re-dyed them recently because it's hard for me to find shorts that fit. And then I ordered new stuff down there that totally didn't fit, that's too big on me when it's supposed to be my size. So happy that I fixed these up so I can enjoy that if I need some, what do you call it, stuff that's like season appropriate when it's gonna be like scorching hot down there. And I think I hauled this before, guys, but it's like my Gucci shirt. So I'm gonna probably wear that on my birthday. If not that, I'm gonna wear the yellow jacket with these black skinny jeans that I got too. But I don't know, it just depends on the day and how cold it is. And I got this New York short too, guys. It says New York, New York on there. And I got me a big pack of these white plain t-shirts on Amazon, as well as another big pack of these black ones. So they came in like a 6-pack or something. I was so happy to have a bunch of plain shirts because I haven't been really wearing pattern ones, just more the plain ones. And then like my magical necklace, this time I'm wearing a cross, or my crystal one that I wear, or my angelic symbol that I wear, but totally got broken from some demonic interference. So I gotta get a new one. I'm ordering one, but long story short, I wear a plain shirt so my necklace can pop. So I love that. And then the last thing in here, I believe, are these black skinny jeans that I got. A new pair of these. Can't be looking ratchet on our birthday trip, right? And then what else is there? I think I packed some jewelry too. So I bought this. I bought me a new little bangle. It's a little Coach one. I have to include the close-up shots because you guys can't see anything. But this one is like a Cartier one, and it has the C's on it with the Swarovski crystal, so it's all nice and bougie. Just love it. Just love how it has the C initial. So I got that. And then I think the other jewelry stuff that I pack is stuff that I've already showed you guys before. Yep. So I've already showed you guys those things. Hauled them in the past, so that's pretty much everything that I got leading up until my birthday trip, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Be stay tuned. Can't even talk. Haven't filmed a YouTube video in literally like 3 months, so trying to do it again. But long story short, stay tuned, guys. I'm gonna definitely have a birthday vlog. And I don't want to spoil everything, but vlog, you guys are going to be like, what is going on? How funny, I'm seeing incense right now because I have it burning, but I see it in the light just like doing its thing. So I'm going to have like a shocking vlog, birthday vlog, and definitely a haul of the new spiritual goodies that I got leading up until my birthday too, and for my birthday trip. So I got those coming, and then I'm gonna get back into the groove of filming some spiritual, magical videos for you guys, my witchy ones. I can't wait to do them again and get back into doing my craft. It's gonna be so exciting. I miss my magic so much, and reigniting my light and my power. It'll be really fun to make my comeback to YouTube and just becoming myself again, doing my magic. It's gonna be so exciting. So thank you, God, for all the blessings and helping me through this difficult time. And I hope you guys enjoyed all the good stuff I got. Let me know, like I always ask you down below, what kind of videos you guys want to see from me. I just love getting your feedback and wanting to know what I should film and what I want to film too. So definitely lots of magical videos and my fun vlogs and that kind of stuff too coming. And yeah, of course, until next time, I'll see you guys then. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, turn on my post notifications down below. And by earth, by air, by fire, by water, by spirit, and Goddess Nyx's holy light, may you be blessed and rejuvenated, so mote it be. Bye, guys. Oh, my ass kind of broke this Nike box, by the way. I was sitting on this and my ass kind of broke it, so you know, that happened. Do you guys see the 1-1? It's 1-1 right now when I just went to get my phone to film the close-up shots of this video. Talk about synchronicity and the divine. I love you, angels.